Okay, so previously we are started the chapter inside the system unit. There are some of the topics we already learned about the hardware and software, about the components of the CPU, processor, main memory, secondary memory, CD DVD drive, power supply, computer fan, ports, and the motherboard. And we are learning them one by one. First, we learn about the processor, that is a main part of CPU. With use of that, the computer will be able to run. And it is also called the brain of computer, and the speed of processor is measured in the gigahertz. Remember this one. Nextly, we learn about the main memory. Whenever you create any of file and folder that will be saved in your computer, that is called the memory. First is the main memory, that is divided into the two parts. First is the RAM, random access memory, and second is the ROM, read only memory. RAM is also called the volatile memory because whenever the power button is off, the data will be lost. That's why that is called the volatile memory. It stores the data and the program that are being executed by the CPU. Secondly, ROM. What is the ROM? फुल फॉर्म इज रीड ओनली मेमोरी, दैट यू कैन ओनली रीड, जिसको आप सिर्फ रीड कर पाते हो उसको हम बोलेंगे रोम. Whenever you start your computer, you can see such type of instruction at the beginning of the computer. That is an example of ROM, and you can see an image of ROM also here. Next, we learn about the type of ROM. First is the PROM, programmable read-only memory. Second is the EPROM, that is a erasable programmable read-only memory. And the third is EEPROM, that is a electrical programmable read-only memory. Also, we learn about the details about these three types. Now it's time for the next topic, that is the secondary memory. First we learn about the main memory in which the data or the programs will be stored. And the secondary memory of the main memory is already by default stored in your computer, जो by default आपके कंप्यूटर में रहती ही है, आपको उसको अलग से नहीं लगाना पड़ता है. What is the secondary memory? It is the memory of computer where information is stored permanently for the future use. जैसे कि अभी हमने आगे बोला था RAM is a volatile memory. अगर आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाती है तो your data will be lost. If your electricity will be gone, you're off, then your data will be lost in the main memory RAM type. But in the secondary, what will be happen? It is a non-volatile memory. If by chance your electricity will be off, your data will be not lost because it's not an internal memory. It's a one type of external memory. You can say the second name of secondary memory is external memory, or you can say the permanent memory also. There are the three names of secondary memory. First, secondary memory. Second, permanent memory. And third, you can say the external memory. Okay. सो इट विल बी अ रिमूवेबल और नॉन रिमूवेबल. कुछ जो होती है सेकेंडरी मेमोरी वो बाय डिफॉल्ट कंप्यूटर में आती है. एग्जांपल इज अ हार्ड डिस्क. यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट इमेज देख पा रहे हो, दैट इज अ इमेज ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क जो बाय डिफॉल्ट कंप्यूटर में भी आती है. और अगर आपको एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी लगानी हो, इफ यू वांट टू ऐड द एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरी, that is a non-removable hard disk also available. Hard disk, there are two types of hard disk, that is one is by default in your computer. Please mute yourself. By default in your computer memory. And second hard disk that is available like a one of the box, वो box की तरह भी available रहता है. You can see the example of the secondary memory. First is the hard disk, that is the internal and external both. सेकेंड इज द पेन ड्राइव. यू कैन से द पेन ड्राइव, आपने पेन ड्राइव भी देखी होगी, अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि पेन ड्राइव कैसे दिखती है. थर्ड इज द सीडी. पहले तो मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि आप अपने आप को म्यूट करके रखें. जब मैं आपको पूछूंगी तभी आपको अपने आप को अनम्यूट करना है और आंसर देना है. ओके, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. ओके, पेन ड्राइव इज अ लाइक अ पेन जो यूएसबी पोर्ट में अटैच होती है, एंड यू कैन स्टोर द लॉट्स ऑफ डेटा दैट इज अवेलेबल इन फॉर्म ऑफ द 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB. In form of that it will be available. CD is a one of the secondary memory because that will be we can attach. जैसे कि पहले क्या होता था, CD player and DVD players are there, right? So if you want to play any of movie in the CD, there are the lots of movie you can store in the CD and the DVD both. CD means a compact disc and DVD means a digital versatile disc. These all are the removable disk. Hard disk is a non-removable, while pen drive, CD, DVD all are removable storage devices. मतलब कि आप उसको अटैच भी कर सकते हो और रिमूव भी कर सकते हो. What is the meaning of removable device? You can attach that device in your computer also, and you can be remove it from the computer also, so that is called the removable device. And what is the meaning of non-removable device? It will be not you cannot be remove that device from your computer like a hard disk. So this is the secondary memory. Now next is the CD DVD drive. As I say that you can attach your CD DVD in your computer. For that there is a different drive is there. उसके लिए अलग से ड्राइव रहेगा. अगर आपको CD DVD आपके कंप्यूटर में लगानी है तो उसके लिए आप नीचे इमेज देख सकते हो. दैट विल इज इन योर CPU, जो CPU में आती है. whenever you press it, now it's audible. Am I audible now? Okay, listen me carefully. जब आपको listen me one thing. So if you want to attach a CD or the DVD in your computer, so that is a अलग different port is there, जिसमें आप CD DVD रख सकते हो अलग से. उसमें ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप पेन ड्राइव भी अटैच कर पाओ. You can attach only CD or the DVD. So CD DVD drive is used to read information stored on the CD or DVDs. It is also be used to store data on the CD or DVD. पहले तो आप CD DVD को रीड कर सकते हो. Secondly, अगर कोई डेटा आपको CD या DVD से कॉपी करना हो, you can also do that. So this is the image of the CD DVD drive. One thing, अभी भी किसी ने अनम्यूट किया हुआ है. Remember one thing, you have to be look out all the photos of all the components. आपको सब सारे components के photos याद रखने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि एग्जाम में ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं कि what is the this image name, what is the name of this component that you can see in the image. image में जो आपको दिख रहा है वो कौन सा component है, like that. So compulsory आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, yes, please mute yourself. Okay, now last, power supply. What do you mean by the power supply? पावर सप्लाई का मतलब आपको क्या पता है? कैन एनीवन टेल? हाँ, तो आप अपने आप को म्यूट रखोगे तो मेरे वॉइस क्लियर आएगा. आप अपने आप को म्यूट रखो तो मेरा वॉइस परफेक्ट आएगा, क्लियर आएगा. Okay, can anyone tell me what do you mean by the power supply? पावर सप्लाई का मतलब आपको क्या पता? आपने कहीं पे ये वर्ड सुना हुआ है? Okay, from ओके, तो आपने पावर सप्लाई वर्ड कहीं पे सुना हुआ है? whenever we are in, okay, हाँ कहाँ सुना है, जानवी कहाँ सुना है, जानवी कहाँ सुना है, नहीं सुना कि सुना है? अच्छा, मैं बताती हूँ कि आपने कहाँ सुना है। नाउ प्लीज एवरीवन म्यूट योरसेल्फ। Okay, so whenever we are in the class 2 and we are go for the lab, so first of all I tell you that please turn on the power supply button. What is the meaning of power supply? When you can get the power, where you can get the electricity with the number of times. अगर आपको ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए तो वो आपको ज़्यादा अप्लाई करेगा, अगर आपको कम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए तो आपको कम सप्लाई करेगा. So that is the work of the power supply. But whenever you turn on the power supply button, means the switches of computer, before that all the computers are connected to the one power supply. Nobody have noticed that, I know that in the computer lab there is a one power supply box is there. वहाँ पे एक पावर सप्लाई बॉक्स रहता है ब्लैक कलर का, जो हमारा फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर है उसके पास में. I know that nobody noticed that, but that is okay. Next time when you are going for the lab, you can see that at front. So what is the power supply button? What is the power supply? It is referred to as SMPS, that is called the switched mode power supply, or PSU, power unit, power supply unit you can say. So it is referred as two. First is SMPS, switched mode power supply, and PSU, that is called the power supply unit. It is referred for the two SMPS, switched mode power supply, or TSU, power supply unit. Remember the full forms also. It supply the power to the all components inside the cabinet. Cabinet means in the CPU. जो CPU में components है, जैसे कि हमारी memories, अभी हमने आगे सीखा. You can also learn about the processor. So it will be supply the power, but it will be first check कि किसको high voltage चाहिए, किसको कम voltage चाहिए, तो उस हिसाब से वो power supply करता है. Who needs a high voltage of power, the power supply the power it more. Request again, please mute yourself. मैं बार बार नहीं बोलूंगी, फिर मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी. Okay, so today we are learning the three new topics. First, power supply. Previously we learned about the CD DVD drive, then the secondary memory. Examples are also written here: hard disk, pen drive, CD. So now anyone have a query regarding this, they can ask me. Yes, yes Kiran.